Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing all great. I know you're all muted and can't talk, but that's all good. It's no problem. I just, first of all, want to thank everybody for taking time out of their busy schedules. I know there's a lot of things that you guys have going on, and we are so excited. We definitely wanted to be able to show you a little sneak peek of what is going to be launched in February. We were excited. I was trying to hold Ray down, but he goes, I got to show him. I have to show him. I have to show him. And so we put this webinar together. And you guys, seriously, for everybody who does a lot of, who uses Firestorm a lot and knows the small limitations and all of that, we are working hard. And one of the things we definitely appreciate from everybody that's on here now is your feedback. So what that means to all of you is, listen, if you like what you see and it's great, fantastic. We want to hear back from you. If you don't like what you see, that's also great because we want to hear back from you as well. Because the way that we always develop our program and take it a step further and make it the cutting edge of technology is listening to all of you. And we thank you again for taking time out of your schedules. And I want to go ahead and turn it over to Ray, so he could show you, actually blow you away. I hope you guys are seated and have a seatbelt on because what he is going to show you is going to blow you away. Thank you so much again, and here's Ray.
Hello, everyone. This is Ray. Pleasure having you guys on the board, and very excited to show you guys what's coming. Small couple sneak peek from 2013. So this is very exciting for me too. I have to show you, I have to share with you guys. Again, remember always this is a beta that I'm testing right now, and if there's any something that is not working right, don't worry. We're working on to fix all the issues that we see in here. Now, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and see the ring I'm going to show you guys what we used to do before, and I'm going to show you guys what's going to come very soon. In the anytime what we import an image from the designs from the customer pictures, let's say I'm going to import the picture right now. I'm going to go to my process image, and I'm going to pick my old images. I'm going to show you guys these images right now. Okay, now we have these pictures. We have black and white pictures. We have color pictures. I'm going to explain one at a time slowly, and just to know what's happening right now. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to import one of this image. It's a black and white. I got this picture from the internet, from images from internet. Let's say a customer give you this picture. Before, we used to open this, and you know how in every program this one comes in flat. In Firestorm CAD, this image will wrap around the surface of any surface that you like. Now what I'm doing, I'm showing you guys in flat surface in here, in the dome of the side of the ring. You can even do a flat on the top or any texture design. So the next thing that you guys are going to see in here, before we used to go ahead and remember, we used to go ahead and trace the image with a face curve and tracing the image like this, and go ahead and trace every angle of the picture, and just it will take you an hours. And this was one of my dreams long time ago, to create something that I don't have to spend time to trace any images anymore. Check mark. This is the curve. I have to trace every angle of this piece that we need to create on the ring. Now, remember, we can even use this, the image tracing in bringing picture of the ring too. So I'm going to go one at a time. I'm going to delete this. Delete this curve. So now this is what's going to happen, what's coming. If you project the image on the surface, instead of tracing, we created a tool that traces automatic trace right now. What we're going to do, inside the jewelry, you're going to have a new tab. That you're going to click on the surface of the image right now. Once you click on the image, after we scale to the size, this process image icon will light up. When you click, it's going to give you this image. It did trace already. So we can talk about this one later on in the training. But once I click OK, what it's going to do, it's going to take this image this curve that traces the image, it's going to project on the ring. So we're not going to trace anymore anything. So now, once I click select and click on signet ring and turn off the image will come exactly on the ring. I'm going to turn off the ring right now just for it to see better. This is the image that you're going to see it on the ring exactly. I'm going to delete some of them, and I'm going to show you a couple other tricks. So as you see, every design has a lot of points. The reason it has a lot of points because it has a lot of detail angled on the image that we have. We can always, if we don't like it, we can always select the points and delete the points anytime. So we can just delete the points as we go, just because we need to see how we're going to create this. Then after you create the curve, there's a couple ways. You can either project the curve onto the surface, or you can grab the line and go to Design tab and fill it. Now this is our curve as a surface, and you can pull this. The same thing in any formatted file in here. Let's say I don't like this corner points. I can delete the point just to have something nicer in here, and just you can fix the curves. Like I can always grab again this one, the curve, and fill it. Now I can pull this in or out, and I can create as a cutter. Now let me triple click this and display the color just to see a color in here, and import the signet ring without the image. Here we go. So you can design, as you see, this is a concept. You can grab this design and make a ring around a shank. Like if you're going to create any antique design ring, you have a ring. I don't have the ring in my screen right now. If you have any shank that you want to create antique engraving on the side, you can import the image and project to the surface of the ring, and it gives you the design, the look of the ring that you have it already. Now, I'm going to show you one. There's a question they're asking, can we do it in color? What if we do have a customer has a color image? You can. There's a couple of different ways, and we can support you on that one too. That there's a program we can help you to download. It's free. You can color code your images to black and white. Black and white is easier to project image and outline it. But here we go. I'm going to close this. I'm going to open up a new one. I'm going to import the same ring again. Now I'm going to import a picture in color. Import image. Now I think this is in color right now. You can even import the stone. If you have a white background, you can import any gems, any color stone, or any fancy stone that without tracing you can get the outline. But I want to import the color right now. Open it. Again, I want to wrap it. Now in color, sometimes it's very important to have these lines to be, you can even go on the image sometimes with a black marker and mark these corners in black, because we have yellow, you have white, you have blue, and you have these extras in here. These shadows will give you some problems, but again, I'm going to go ahead and project this one. I'm going to show you, but we're still working on making it, enhancing it better to make it easier again. One more time, I'm going to go to jewelry, select the image, process image. It's processing right now. Now, as you see these jagged edges, what we can do, we can raise the number, and as you see what it does when we raise the number, it will make it disappear this shadow surfaces, makes it better. If you move the line, these arrows to the end, what it does, it will add more curves. More of these separated lines, it will show you more points. So I'm going to click on 95. I'm going to click on OK. So what it's going to do is tracing. We have a couple of guys back on the software. They're tracing the image for you guys. Now, this is the image right now. And again, you need to work on, we need to work more on these edges. I'm showing you what the things that we're receiving from this. And again, you can always go ahead and trim this. You can always trim these lines. 3D, trim these lines separated, and so you can have this surfaces separate. It's very simple to work on these extra curves. Here we go. Now it's separated. Now I can go ahead and fill the ends so we can have them complete one curve. Then I can go ahead and fill the surface and start designing it. So what we're trying to do, trying to make it easier on you guys. It's been 14 years I was dreaming about this tracing image automatically. And it's happening. It's coming to theater near you. Now, the next thing that I want to show you guys, this is it. The next concept that we have is I'm going to show you this in here. What we're working on, you know how we get to the detail in SpaceCam and import the text? What we're trying to make it, simpler. Just type the name, get your bold italic, get the size, and click OK. It's coming. And here we go. I'm going to do new designs. I'm going to do file open. And curve on surface. This is new. This is what's coming again. And here, as you see, you have what you need to do, you're going to design any wavy surfaces, any wavy surface, not a flat. And you're going to create a UV surface in here. You're going to bring the text font into flat text font. So when you select the text font, again, I don't have this working right now. I'm showing you the concept. That's going to be in our software very soon. That we can adapt the straight font, straight ones, to flow under any surface, any organic surface, and adapt to the surface, taking the surface size. You see over here the T's, they're all the same sizes. Over here they're like more organic and adapting to the surface. You can either do flat or adapt to any contour surface, any wavy surface to create what you're looking for. If there's nothing else from me, I think so far I give you guys, again, I'm very excited. I'm going to hand over this, the phone to Noreen, so we'll talk soon. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. Now, if I could just ask everybody to go back to the forum, which is at firestormcad.net. It's on your training site. Please go over there and sign up to the forum, and feel free to ask questions. If there's anything that you'd like to share, go ahead and log in. You could actually log in even using your Facebook account, your Firestorm CAD account, any account. You could go ahead and log in. We look forward to hearing a lot of feedback from you guys, good or bad suggestions. We are absolutely open to it. And again, please understand we are here to serve each and every one of you guys, because when you're successful, that's when we're actually successful as well. Thank you very much for your time, and have a fantastic day. We will be sending out the recording as well. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye-bye.